Hi guys, hope all are doing well. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Programming with VJ. In this video we are going to see about filling and reducing liquid in test tube. This is part 2 video. If you have not watched part 1 video, I will attach the link in the description. Please watch it before you watch this video. Guys, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Give a like to this video. It will give lot of motivation to me. Let's go into the video. But for each bottle we can't copy and paste the position. We will fix that issue also. Create a C# script, give class name as bottle controller. Open the script in Visual Studio. Create a variable for water material. Create another variable for water sprite renderer. In the start method, we can get the material from water sprite renderer. In the update method, we can get the variable from shader. We want vector variable from shader. Water material dot, as it is vector type, set vector, give the variable exact name from shader. In the second parameter give the value we want to set, that is transform position. Make the script as execute in edit mode. Error will throw, as sprite renderer not attached. Assign the sprite renderer to the script in the inspector. Change start method to on enabled in the script. Now we can split the water into different colors. Switch back to Visual Studio. Create two variable. One, add another color variable and name it as color 2. Second is how much amount it is going to occupy. Define the two newly variable below. Create a float for C1 variable. Now lerp the color 2 and color 1 according to the amount we give. Now multiply C1 below with UV. Save and switch back to Unity. According to the lerp which we given, if lerp value 0 it will return color 2 and, if lerp value 1 it will return color 1. Next we can split the color into different parts. Create a local variable float S1. We can use step to separate colors. In first parameter we can give diffs y value. In second parameter, we can give amount to be occupied. Now call the S1 value in lerp's time which we calculated previously. Save and switch back to Unity. Now if you adjust the amount 1 variable in the inspector you can see the separation of color. There is one more issue. Change the camera's solid color to white. You can see the black color there in the water layer. We can also fix this. We can give tags Q as transparent layer. We can blend alpha of the texture. This will combine source value and destination value, and give combined color. There are a lot of combination for the blend, you can Google and see the combination. Save and switch back to Unity. Now you will not see the black color. We can split more colors now. Add two more floats in Properties section, Amount 2 and Amount 3. Define both amount values in the pass. Add two more color variables in the properties section. We can add two more local split variable S2 and S3. We can compare the diff with amount 2 and amount 3. Add one more float for variable C2, in C2 lerp the color between color 3 and local float for variable C1, with the split variable S2. Multiply C2 with UV value. Save and switch back to Unity. You can see the color splitted. You can change the color 3 variable. And you can play with amount according to your needs. We can add one more color. If you had not declared the color for variable in properties section, declare in the properties section. Define the color for variable inside the pass. Switch back to Unity. You can give color for in the inspector. You can see the fill amount maximum value is 0.5. But we don't want to go full. Change the max value of fill amount from 0.5 to 0.37. Even though the slider is full, it will not exceed the fill amount. If you rotate the bottle in Z-axis, you can see the water liquid also rotates. Another issue is there if you scale the bottle, the colors which we splitted also changes. We can fix this. Go to Visual Studio. Give a vector variable object scale in properties section. Define the vector variable inside the pass. Divide the object scale value with the position which we calculated in diff. Now go to the bottle controller script. Set the object scale value as we set before for object position. Save and switch back to Unity. You can see the issue fixed. You can see when we rotate the bottle, you can see the red color getting disappeared and other color size changes. We can also fix this issue. Create a float variable in the inspector, name it as scale offset. Define the scale offset variable inside the pass. Multiply the scale offset value with fill amount in line number 68. Also with all split values S1, S2, and S3, in the second parameter. Save and switch back to Unity. Now adjust the scale offset value in the inspector. You can see the all color size changes. But this is not correct, we have to adjust the scale offset according to the rotation of bottle. Go to bottle controller script. Create one animation curve variable scale offset curve. In the update method, create a local variable angle. We can get the Z angle by getting transforms Euler angles.z. Next we can check the animation curve null or not. Then set the scale offset float value from the material. We can modify the scale offset value according to the animation curve. At angle 0 the scale offset value will be 0. At angle 90 we can set the scale offset value to 0.37. This value is experimented. You can play with the value and get the value as per your requirement. Switch back to Unity. Now we can set the animation curve. Already there will some predefined graphs below. Click on the first one. If you see the point 1, it will be correct as per our requirements. Point 2, we have to modify. Point 2, time field we have to set to 90. In value field we have to set to 0.37. Make the curve gradually decreasing like this. Now if you rotate the bottle, you can see all the colors will be even. This is the final part of the video. If you guys want to implement reducing the liquid when rotating, please put a comment in comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Please like the video if you enjoyed and gained some knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Click on bell icon to get notification when I update new videos in YouTube. Take care all of you, bye bye.